This is why well, this is Florida, but you could see the lime scale coming out of this water heater. So the question is, why do I keep blowing my water heater and I have to keep replacing the heating elements? This is the lime scale. So if you don't have a water softener, this is what builds up in the bottom of your water heater. Yeah, and then you cold water, you drink this stuff. So my advice is get a water heater and get a water softener so you don't have all this crud coming out of your water heater. And that's going to make your, it's going to short out, you see this one, it's going to short out your heating element. And even if a plumber comes in, replaces this heating element, it's going to be blown in another, probably 3 or 4 months. Okay, so water softener, folks.